Alright, let's take a look at how we can create a new account on the PlayStation 5. Now, first things first, you want to sign out of your current account. So I'm just going to click on my profile icon and then choose Logout. And it's going to look like this. Now it's going to ask us to click on the PlayStation button here on the controller. Once you select it, it's going to activate the controller itself, and then you want to select Add User. Now you will choose Get Started here to create a new account. You will need to read through the agreements here and click on Confirm, and then you will choose Create an Account as an option. Make us wait for a little bit, and it's going to ask for a country and also our preferred language here, and you will click on Next. You will need to provide your date of birth as well. So make sure you provide your date of birth here, make sure you use an accurate date of birth, and then again we will click on Next. Now it's going to ask for an ID or email. You can type it right here. So I'm just going to use one of my IDs. Okay, and you will also need to set a strong password. Once you've set a password, you want to click on Next. Now it's going to ask for your first and last name and how you would like to receive information about products. You can do it via notifications on console and also email, or you can choose either. Now we're gonna do our first and last name. Now you can go and select Next. Once we do this, it's gonna ask for your city, postal code, and state or province, so fill out that information as well. If you're unsure of your postal code, you can just look it up on Google. And now we want to press Next again. It's then gonna ask us to create or choose a picture. So I'm just gonna choose the default one here. And online ID. So this is gonna be how you will appear to other people. So let's just do a test. Click on Next. And now you need to choose a privacy profile, how you would like to play. So when focused, friend focused, team player, social and open. I'm just gonna do social and open for this. You can apply here the changes, and you can improve by providing data. I'm gonna click on Confirm. This is gonna be the ads, so you wanna disable and continue. And the purchase recommendations, again, I'm gonna disable and continue. Now you will need to read through all of this info and then press I agree and confirm this. Now we just wait. Okay, we need to verify your email address. So now what we have to do is get a phone, or on a PC just enter the email address which we applied. So I'm just gonna open it up on my phone. Okay, so I just confirmed it on my phone. It looks like this, confirmation complete. And it's gonna ask you how you would like to access or your account. So here, I'm just gonna click on OK for now. You can set this later as well. Just like that, if we click on OK, we have created our account on the PlayStation 5. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.